Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase trade tokens and how you can purchase from the new farmers market Grow Garden event. Select the plus button here and select the token you want to purchase. I will be getting this one. Okay. And then you'll be kind of going over to people and seeing what you want here. Oof, it's very laggy if I'm being honest. I want the Raiju maybe, or let's see what else is good. Maybe the cockroaches. I really want it. I haven't gotten it yet. Or the red fox. It's sold for like different prices for some reasons, but if you like go around, you can see that there's other good deals. But yeah, just select the one that you would like to purchase, and you are going to want to purchase it. I, however, don't know what I want to get. Oh my gosh, it's Koi 1000. Well, I think I'm just gonna get the 15 one for the... Ooh, there's that. Wait, where did it go? Hold on. Okay, I think it's here. I'm gonna just purchase this. It's fine. You're going to select it. Oh, lagging again. Then you're going to press confirm. Oh, okay. And I got it. Sorry. It's very laggy, so just be patient. Don't get out of the server and you'll be fine. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.